Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're dealing with a sluggish Microsoft Edge browser, you're not alone. In this quick tutorial, we'll walk you through how to clear the cache in the 2025 version of Edge. This simple step can boost your browsing speed, fix loading issues, and even improve your overall online experience. Let's dive right in. First things first, why bother clearing the cache? Your browser stores temporary files, like images and scripts, to make websites load faster. But over time, this cached data can pile up, leading to errors, outdated content, or slowdowns. It's like giving your browser a fresh start, super easy and effective. To get started, make sure you have Microsoft Edge open on your computer. We're assuming you're using the latest 2025 update for these steps. Step 1. Click on the three dots in the top right corner of the Edge window. This opens the main menu. From there, select Settings at the bottom of the list. Step 2. In the Settings menu, scroll down and click on Privacy, Search and Services. This section handles all your browsing data management. Step 3. Under the Clear Browsing Data option, click on Choose What to Clear. You'll see a list of data types. We're focusing on the cache here. Step 4. Select a time range, like All Time, for a thorough clean. Then, make sure Cached Images and Files is checked. You can uncheck other options if you don't want to clear them. Step 5. Hit the Clear Now button and confirm the action. Edge will quickly delete the selected data. Once that's done, close and reopen Edge to see the changes. Your browser should feel snappier and more responsive now. And there you have it. Clearing the cache in Microsoft Edge 2025 is straightforward and takes less than a minute. If you run into any issues or have more tech questions, let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more tips, and hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching, and happy browsing.